Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can save a post as draft on Business Suite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Business Suite app in a device. Then tap on Create Post. Next tap on Photo or Video. Then select photo or video of your choice. Next tap on Done. After that, tap on Next. Then you can see the option of Save as Draft, tap on it. Then in the bottom line you can see the option of Save Draft, tap on it. Then check if it is saved or not. So this is how you can save a post as draft on Business Suite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.